Hey everyone, in this video we're gonna go over this little application I was working on, which is basically we use Selenium to web scrape Spotify to get the lyrics of a song, and then we use ChatGPT to translate those lyrics into English so that you understand those, and we actually put it back in the Spotify UI, so it looks nice. So let me start running this so we can talk about what the code does in detail. And the reason I'm doing it, like I'm running it first, is because it takes a minute for ChatGPT to translate the lyrics. So first, basically, here we set the environment variables: Spotify username, password, and OpenAI API key. Um, so I left them blank, obviously, for you guys to do your own thing. And OpenAI API key, if you don't know, it's free. So just look up like a YouTube video or something, so you can get your own key and put it here. So basically, first we get the username, password, and log into Spotify. And then what we do is we search for that song. Here, the input is here. So I gave the Spanish song called Sofia. And then it searches for the song, gets the top result, clicks on it, and then we get the lyrics. These are the lyrics that were displayed inside the uh, Spotify UI. And then what we do is we create a LangChain prompt. So this is the prompt that we are feeding to ChatGPT via the API, right? Uh, and then we use this thing called. That's really loud, sorry. But yeah, so this is the final result, which you can see. Uh, it also starts auto playing it. That's a little feature I added too, because why not? Might as well, right? So the lyrics, the translation, so pretty neat, I would say. But where I left off is the tick token. So use tick token. Basically, the reason is every API call to OpenAI API, or at least for ChatGPT or GPT 3.5, is 4096. That's the max limit, and you don't want to exceed that because it will throw an error. So what I was doing is I was setting 1,000 hard limit for all inputs. So if the lyrics are longer than 1,000 tokens, we're gonna split them into chunks. But for this one, there's only one chunk, so that's fine. And then this is the output that ChatGPT gave me when I asked it to translate. This is the part, as I said, that would take some time. That's why I was gonna go through the code. But yeah, we simply do this max token equals 4096 minus token, which is we set it here to 1,000, right? So about 3,000 output tokens, and then we simply use GPT 3.5. Temperature zero, basically just like uh, telling it to be just realistic as possible. Like don't be creative, like don't generate some crazy stuff, that sort of thing. So yeah, that's that, and yeah, I was just doing individual calls, right? LLM chain.run for each lyric chunk, and that's about it. It seems like a lot of code, but it is kind of a lot of work because you have to like kind of manually look through the inspect the code and see how to get each element. But ChatGPT, I used a lot of ChatGPT's help in writing this code. Like I just tell it, okay, this thing has this class name. Can you write the code to get it and click on it or something like that, that sort of thing. But yeah, that's the gist of the code, and this is how it looks. I think we have time. Let me try doing one more. See if that works. I'm gonna close this. I don't need to, I think, because it always spawns a new thing anyways, but just to be safe, I don't want any unexpected behavior. Oh, maybe we can see it in action too. Let's see. So login, it's gonna enter username, password, login, and then it's gonna search for the song now. There it is. So it's clicking on the top result. Now it got the lyrics, so we're gonna wait a few, probably a minute, maybe less. I don't know. But yeah, we know what to look out for. These lyrics will change. It will say lyrics and translation, like you saw for the other song. I'm just gonna say got it. I don't like this thing obstructing my view. something just happened.
멈춘 시간 속 잠든 너를 찾아가 아무리 막
Okay, sorry, I had to pause. So you saw it all happen live there. So pretty nice, I would say. The only thing I'm kind of like I don't like is it takes a long time. But I looked a little bit online. Like I guess it's just the APIs like that in general. And even if you use the normal Chat GPT, it takes if you think about how long it takes to generate the whole text, it does take like 20 seconds maybe for a thing. So it's kind of unavoidable, I guess. If you guys think there could be a better way to fix that, let me know in the comments. But yeah, all right. So that's the application I wanted to show you guys. See you.